welcome to Sarah's Stamp Retreat. Today I'm just going to create a quick card, but I want to manipulate my stamped image. So this is actually a digital stamp from Polka Doodles, and I'll link that in the description below. I think it's called Bake Day. I've just coloured it with these Altenew markers, so the Water Garden set and the Rock Garden set. And you can see she's making cupcakes here, but I want her to be making pancakes. So I'm going to cut my image out, and this is a really nice thing to do when you just want to make a small change to an image, because I wanted to make a Pancake Day card today, but I don't have any images with pancakes on. I don't want to buy an image because I don't make a lot of Pancake Day cards. So for me, this is the easiest thing, is just to change up something that is similar to what I want but not quite there. And you could do this with a lot of your images, whether they're traditional stamped images or digital images. And then to alter the image, I'm literally just going to cut these cupcakes off, and then I'm just going to draw a little stack of pancakes on here. And maybe a little plate for them to go on. And then I can just colour that in. And in actual fact, I think I'm just going to use the pancakes because I'm not really happy with that plate. And then all I'm going to do is, when I stick this on my image, I can just put this over here and it will look like part of the original image. Then I'm just going to glue that onto the front of this nice bright pink card blank. I'm going to stick my pancakes on. Then I'm going to pop my Pancake Day sentiment up. And that's just a sentiment that I printed out. I just typed it and printed it in. And then now we've got this cute image. It's just what I wanted. I've not had to buy a new stamp or anything. I've just adapted something that I've already got. So I hope that's inspired you to play around with your stamps as well. If you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate you clicking like below, and you can also press subscribe if you'd like to see future videos. If you press the bell button and select all, then YouTube will also notify you when I've got a new video available. All of the products that I've used for today's video are listed in the description below. There's also a link there to my blog where you can find a picture supply list if that makes it easier to find what you're looking for. Thank you so much for joining me today. Hope to see you again soon.